Are you tired of looking at boring icons? I found an icon app that will transform your icons. It's the My Icon Changer app. This app has a lot of icon themes. Let's use the Bad Lily theme. Just watch how to install it. So easy, right? I also use this app to DIY my icons. Just go to Customize, then tap to select image, then choose an app. Then hit Save. Ta-da! Now let's change our lock screen and home screen wallpaper. Did you know that Shinobu is one of the friendliest Hashira? As she always smiles regardless of the situation she's in. By the way, I did my widgets with the Magic Widgets app, using the image template. Love how easy it is to customize your widgets with this app. These apps are free to download on iOS and Play Store. Don't forget to like and save this video. Follow me for more aesthetic icon tips.